Every home, every dream, every opportunity. May isang tao na handang sumama sa bawat hakbang. Bilang loan officer, hindi lang numbers ang hawak mo. You're guiding people sa importanteng moments ng buhay nila. Kahit pagod sa biyahe, malayo sa pamilya, at may pressure ma-meet ang targets, tuloy pa rin. Kasi, bawat effort mo, may pangarap na natutupad. You meet clients in moments of hope, minsan fear. You listen, you teach, you empower. Every loan you help deliver becomes a turning point. Isang bahay na secured, isang dream na nagsimula, isang future na nabuksan. To serve in this role, hindi lang skills ang kailangan. It takes a heart ready to bring service, dignity, opportunity, and support sa mga nanay sa community. This is not just a job, it's a career of impact, a chance to change lives, one conversation, one decision, one loan at a time.